Today I'm going to be making a one dish meal, macaroni and cheese uh, with hot dogs and broccoli. And all the items can be purchased at the Dollar Tree, and actually most of them were. To start out with, I got this box of, I think it's called the Deluxe Mac and Cheese Dinner by a company called Loretta. It has elbow macaroni in there. You can see that. And it also comes with its own packet of cheese. What I like about this is that you don't need to add anything else to it. The cheese is ready to go. You don't need to put milk. You just need to boil the noodles and cook those. I also pulled out 3 hot dogs. Now, Dollar Tree does sell hot dogs. They're 4 to a pack. And the deli case there, I already had hot dogs in the freezer, so I didn't buy any more. And I chose 3 because I thought 3 would be a good number to put into the casserole. However, it's up to you. If you want to have 4 hot dogs in there, or 2 hot dogs in there, or Vienna sausage, it's up to you. That was just my consideration. I also have some broccoli. Now, the deal with broccoli at the Dollar Tree is that they don't really sell broccoli. They sell something called broccoli cuts. So nutritionally, I'm sure it's the same, but it's just pieces of stem and all sorts of stuff. So that, in this particular dish, the presentation's kind of nice too, and I think it's nicer to have the broccoli florets in there instead of a bunch of stems. So your backup for that is to simply buy a bag of mixed vegetables, the stir-fried vegetables at the Dollar Tree, and it has different vegetables. And I basically just pulled out the broccoli. And right now, since most of the broccoli's gone, I have I have a bunch of carrots in there. I'll be using that for something else. So it's kind of nice. You have one bag of vegetables, and you can do multiple things with them. All right, my water is boiling, and I'm going to put the noodles in. I'll be back in a minute. The noodles have cooked, and they are now sitting in the sink in a colander. The directions said not to rinse them, so I didn't. I just dumped the pan out with the water, and we'll be going back to them in a minute as soon as I finish preparing the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to start by spraying this casserole dish. The casserole dish I'm going to put mac and cheese in, and this is again a product you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I did actually get it at the Dollar Tree, and it's very convenient. And I've spent a whole lot more on spray oils, and this works just fine. So that being done, I'm going to now cut up the hot dogs, little bite-sized sizes, just like that. Again, it's up to you how big you want to have it or how many hot dogs you want to have in there. It's a matter of personal preference. So, oops. Those are done. I'm going to put them in the bowl. And I'm going to add broccoli to that. I also have set the oven at 350 because after this is done, we're going to put it in the casserole and then bake it. So here come the noodles. Throw those in next. I've got the hot dogs and the broccoli in there. I'm going to throw the noodles. I might need a spatula actually. Use this. I'm going to put the noodles in. Again, they were not rinsed. They're not supposed to be rinsed. Evidently, if you rinse pasta, the sauce doesn't stick as well to them, which was kind of news to me, but whatever works. So anyway, the elbow macaroni cooked, and they're in there now with the broccoli and the hot dog, and I'm going to kind of get that mixed. This seems to be the best tool for it, and actually I did get this at the Dollar Tree. They have those nice red utensils, spatulas, and all sorts of stuff. So anyway, this is getting mixed up. It's looking pretty good. I probably could have put more broccoli in here, but live and learn. I've never used this particular macaroni and cheese before, so I just was not sure how much volume it would make, but I think it's fine, and the hot dog amount seems to be, sufficient. So, okay, now that those are pretty well incorporated, a little bit more. I'm going to take the squeeze bag of cheese that was in there, and I've already cut up the top, and I'm just going to roll it on. Let the chips fall where they may. Okay. Gotten everything out of there I can. Get rid of that. Let's take the tool here and mix the cheese up with the noodles and the hot dogs and the broccoli, and actually that's looking pretty darn good. So, it smells good too. So I'm going to put it in a casserole dish, and I'm going to bake it for a few minutes. That again is a matter of personal preference. Maybe you just like to eat it right out of the pan like this. Whatever you want to do. I thought I'd just put it in for a few minutes. So that's what it looks like, fully incorporated. There seems to be enough of everything. Again though, wouldn't have hurt to have a few more florets of broccoli. So next time. I'm going to put that now into the casserole dish. And I had some bacon bits I was going to put on top of it, but I think I'm not going to. I'm just going to cook it as is. Some of the toppings you can use for macaroni and cheese are, you know, bacon bits or Parmesan cheese, or you can also use breadcrumbs or potato chips. A lot of people like that crunch on top. That looks really nice, actually. All right. Check this out. Looks beautiful. I'm going to stick it in the oven for a few minutes, and we'll see what happens. Just took the casserole out of the oven. I had it in at 350 for about 5 or 6 minutes just to set it. Let me show you what it looks like. It's beautiful, and it smells really good. There's a large amount here. Easily feed 2 to 4 people depending on appetites, and if you have any sides or whatever's going on, and there might even be leftovers for the next day or lunch. This is also a dish that would very easily be appropriate for a potluck, and the total cost is less than $3. The macaroni and cheese was $1. The hot dog package of hot dogs was $1, and we only used 3 of the 4 that would be in a Dollar Tree package, and then some spare change for a little bit of broccoli that we pulled out of an existing bag of vegetables. So you can get a lot of bang for your buck at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the casserole. Thank you and good night.